The Finance Bill 2017 has introduced a new section 92CE pertaining to transfer pricing. The section makes quite interesting reading. What the section says is, if a transfer pricing adjustment has been made either by the assessee himself or by the officer which has been accepted by the assessee, or pursuant to an advance pricing arrangement, or pursuant to a mutual agreement procedure wherein agreement is made on the determination of ALP which is accepted by the assessee also, then the assessee is required to make a secondary transfer pricing adjustment. And after making this secondary transfer pricing adjustment, if the difference between the primary adjustment and secondary adjustment, the amount does not come from the associate enterprises, then that amount will be considered as an advance given by the Indian company to the foreign associate enterprise, and interest will be charged on this. In effect, what the section is trying to do is a transfer pricing adjustment which is sometimes, or rather most of the times, seen as a notional adjustment is being made into an absolute adjustment. For example, if the ALP in a particular case is say 12%, that is, the margin given by the Indian company to the foreign parent is 12%, and a transfer pricing adjustment is made to make this 12% to 15%, either under MAP or under APA or by the TPO which is accepted by the assessee, then the 3% amount should come to the Indian company from the foreign company. If it doesn't come, and till such time it doesn't come, it will be treated as an advance and interest will be charged on this amount. Therefore, the adjustment made which is accepted becomes an absolute adjustment. Of course, the threshold limit for this has been pegged at 1 crore. That is, any adjustment which is above 1 crore will only be subject to this secondary adjustment. This might create issues in cases where the MAP is determined and not accepted, or where the parent company does not agree for the adjustment made by the TPO, and then how this amount will come from the parent company is something which needs to be seen and discussed. Thank you.